All right, let's have a look at the side angle side test for triangle congruency. If you have a look up in the top right hand corner here, then you will see the definition of the side angle side test. And what we're looking for is we're looking for two matching sides, and the angles between those sides are the same. And the reason that works is if we draw a triangle here, let's mark that as the side length, and we draw this other side length here. Now this angle in the middle here, that basically controls how long this third side is going to be. So as long as those two sides are the same and this angle in the middle is the same, then the third side on our two triangles will match as well. So again, I like to just write out my congruency tests near my triangles, and then we start looking. So do we have a pair of matching sides? Well, we've got a 13 here and a 13, so we're going to go yes. And do we have another pair of matching sides? Well, we've got our 18 here and our 18 here, so yes. And now we have to be careful because the angle we look at has to be the angle between those two sides. So between those two sides here, we've got a 64, another 64, so everything's good there. So we would say this pair of triangles passes the side angle side congruency test. Now let's have a look at this second pair here. Now do we have a pair of matching sides? Well, we've got a good start. We've got our 13 and we've got an 11 here. So far so good. Now looking at the angle between our two sides here, we've got 29 degrees here, so far so good. And between our sides, well, the angle's 28. So we would say this pair of triangles fails the side angle side test. Oh, and I have cut these off so that you can't quite see that. I think that's meant to be a 4. Alright, so what have we got? We've got a 5. So they match there. We've got a set of sides that's 3 centimeters. So we have a set of matching sides. Now what we need to do is we need to look at the angles in between our matching sides. And that's a right angle, that's a 90-degree angle, but in between our 3 and our 5 here, that's a 53-degree angle. So we fail the side angle side congruency test on this pair of triangles as well.